up guys? So next trip, America. Let's go. This is my food. So this is my food. Tastes good. Peter. Tastes good. Peter didn't get beef because they ran out, so he's got the chicken.
After you healthy now.
That's good. Wow. We've got ourselves magnets. And Peter good. Go. Magnum roll. Magnum. Finally back to where it all started. So I'm gonna send some stuff. Let's go. Let's go! Damn! Oh. What do you think, Peter?
Wow, what the fuck? The rings, man. I'm here for the rings. Fuck the bars. Rings, bro.
Ring God.
The rings.
Watch him send it on the rings, boys.
Maybe next week.
Let's go. Let's get. Oh!
That was bad.
Long time ago, when I was 17, I wanted to do full fetch, handstand and front lever. They were my 3 dream skills. And now, I will show you that I can do them. Let's go.
Hey, where's the shirt? He's chilling. Yeah, what the shoulders do?
Yeah. Warm up, let's go.
My shoulder.
Let me check this.
That was during COVID. I didn't get the 2.1. I just got my power back.
Alright guys, so I'm at Santa Monica. I'm just going to do a quick set. Wow. Wow. Yeah. That was good. Apparently that's a very good man. Notes in Australia.
I like to, bro.
Let's go. Oh, that, bro. Oh.
Let's get lost. Every time you come back, it's like falling down these lies again. This feeling that I have deep down inside. I just wanna be the one you need. And now I need you by my side. I can't sleep at night. Please give us the time, leave it all behind. I can't get enough of that night and night. Telling me for you.
I love it.
Thank you.